Hey, hey, hey. What's that? Look guys, I just purchased a new perfume and ang super bango niya because it smells like powder lang. So parang amoy baby ka talaga kapag ito yung pabango mo. And take note, naka buy one, take 3 siya sa TikTok shop. Look, it's so cutie. Ang cutie pa ng lalagyanan. It's so small lang. This is the cutest signature I ever seen. He just bought this for me for my 20th MMO. Look. Intel Core i5 8th Gen na siya and 8GB RAM, 256GB na yung storage na, kaya I'm super happy talaga sa purchase na to o sa gift niya na to kasi alam mo, eto kasing laptop na to super sumusuko na talaga siya kasi ano lang to 4GB lang yung RAM niya, so apakabagal na talaga niya and yung backspace pa hindi na gumagana, kaya sobrang grabe, I'm so happy. Thank you husband. How about you? What are you gonna say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Okay, you're gonna go to school na. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at your hair. Look at your hair, Kitty. I'll go na. Go inside. Bye-bye. Say excuse me. Excuse me po. Number, give your assignment. What happened to you? Why you have a lot of things holding? So pogi. How about you, Kim? Wow, the pogi, Kim! Ay, can I see again? Can I see? 1, 2, 3, go. Dun, 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 dun. Skip. Hot it. Isa pa, one more. Oh, sa Palma. Doon sa palabas ng Kalawar doon.
Yung ulam namin kanina.
Tusino. Grabe, sobrang nakakamiss mag-work sa BGC. Bigyan muna natin ito ng isa.
Saan mo umupo?
Pabatangkad ko ako.
Lagyan natin po.
Wala na style sticker. Wow, you're so pogi. How to be a fish.
You're kidding me.